In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off RTT on Apple Watch. So if when making phone call with your Apple Watch, then you put a call through, then what you discover is when you click on this radar, you see RTT like this. Then I'm going to show you how to disable this on your device. The essence of RTT is for you to be able to receive text message when your device is nearby. So this is called real-time text. So if you want to turn this off, then the step is imbibed in this video. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is press the two crown ones to exit the clock face or watch face. Select settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down. So just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility. Now under accessibility, scroll down. Scroll all the way down to hearing. You see this? Then under hearing, locate RTT and tap that. Then disable this. Then once this is disabled, the RTT function will be disabled on your Apple Watch. When you try to make a phone call with a phone app on your Apple Watch, you discover that the RTT function is no longer available. So there is no more function to show the RTT function on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.